how I have made over, as you can see over here, over $8,000, $8,500 here, $4,500 with new manifestation personal development offer on ClickBank. Now, I'm using TikTok, organic traffic and paid ads. Now, how it works, let me show you over here. As you can see, if I go over here, you can see the last 7 days, I had over 10,000 comments and 161,000 likes, 25,000 profile views, and over here 1.2 million video views. Now, of course, I can make this kind of money because I'm running TikTok ads and also Google ads for the first 7 days. So basically, my strategy, my personal strategy is run ads for the first 7 days and then stop running ads and let the algorithm do its job, right? For example, let me show you the proof over here. If I go over here, you can see the last 7 days, let's say last 28 days, I had 11,000 comments, which is really great for engagement, okay? Almost 200,000 likes, meaning people are sharing for free referrals, word of mouth, okay? 27,000 profile views and 1.6 million video views. So of course I can make this kind of money, and you can do it too, because the money is in the buyer's clicks. The money is in the buyer's clicks, meaning you need to have the right audience with the right message to the market match, my friend, and that's how you make the money. You can have the best landing page, but if your landing page does not have 5 points of pre-selling, you will not be able to make any conversions and money. You can have a lot of traffic, but if the traffic is not right, if the message is wrong, you will not make any money. That's why you need someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step. As you can see over here, as you watch this video later, you can reach out to me on my Instagram, on my Facebook Messenger, my email, on my WhatsApp number. Everything is going to be in the description below this video on my YouTube channel, okay? You can see over here, right? This is the life I live, traveling to 65 countries, from Morocco to Japan, Australia, Italy, okay, Bali, Africa, so everywhere around the world, Europe, Switzerland, you can see Finland, having fun in Finland on Christmas time, okay? All this lifestyle is possible for you as well. If you have at least 30 minutes per day, 20 to 30 minutes per day, and someone to show you step by step along the way, so you can have these kind of results, right? You don't have to show your face. This is without showing your face, okay? So if you're watching this video, if you want to get results, connect with me one-on-one, but only if you're serious, if you really want to take it to the next level in 2025, and once for all get up and running and have the life that you desire, that you deserve, okay? At least to make it happen for your kids, I don't know, for your mom, for your dad, for your grandparents, whoever you want, for yourself. To take them to a nice vacation, to give them more freedom and stress-free life. So again, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe.